model is what I recommend.
Unfortunately, I'm not a developer. I come off from an architecture background. But my main concern is that constant deployment actually works and doesn't break. And we're busy setting up MOS for the internet side now as well. And so in other words, it's a brand new infrastructure. And from what I've read, when you initially set up the site collection, you want to start off with the blank sites with blank definitions associated with that.
Yeah, that's been, the question is in reference to really taking advantage of site definitions that are considered to be blank.
So what does it mean from what should I be telling my developers? Because I understand that associated with that, when they start developing, they should start with blank definitions as well.
Well, that's been actually a new paradigm, where they're building site definitions that have all of the features turned off. And so what you're doing is allowing, let's say your site collection admin, to go in and pick and choose which features they need for that particular implementation. Honestly, I think that question would probably be best answered by Todd Bleeker or James Curry, Paul Frick, some of the developers that we have here. As to why I support it, because you and got somebody here right now.
I can get with you on that after the session. Yeah.
So I'll let him address that. But personally, I do support that because you empower site collection efforts. Right? They pick and choose which features they need. Okay.
Hi, Crow.
Hey.
I understand SharePoint Designer is one of the best tools in the world. This is more, I guess it's around, you said read-only, the production site should just be read-only, consuming site. What if I want users to do some customization of the web part, like be able to bookmark their pages internally on the internet homepage?
Good question.
Can they do that with a read-only site, or is that there's a zone there that has to allow for that kind of interaction?
Well, the question is in reference to if we restrict the production portal to a read-only implementation, is it possible for users to configure their own unique configuration for web parts, and et cetera? If you have that type of requirement, read-only is not going to be the type of implementation you want on that destination portal. So you can, again, I'm leveraging restricted read permissions overall. But you can, step outside of that and configure a web app that will allow users to configure their own view of that site or configurations for that site. So again, if the business requirements go outside of what I've presented, yeah, by all means. Again. Any other questions? Is the next presenter here? Oh, come on, man. I'm sorry. I'm bad. You can tell me later. But I can still answer other questions here. Thank you. And so, people who've been in my session before, thank you for listening to me.
Hey, how you doing? Still everything good? Yeah.